Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you all that how to go on board on Learnico Learner app to join the Learnico classroom. So let's get started. The Learnico Learner app is available for Android as well as iOS smartphone devices. Right now I am going to show you the process on an Android device, but the process is similar on an iOS device as well. So in your smartphone, open Google Play Store. If you have an iPhone, then go to App Store. So after opening the store, let's search MKCL Learnico Learner, or you can even search Learnico Learner. You will see the app created by MKCL named Learnico Learner. Click on it and then click on install to install the app in your phone right away. The app is around 9 MB and this version precisely 9.53 MB as shown. It's depend on your mobile internet connection or Wi-Fi speed, but it's relatively small, so with 4G it will download quickly. After download and install, click on open to start the Learnico Learner app. I am going to join the online classroom remotely with an internet connection, as we are connecting and doing this remotely. So let's click on the online option. Then you will see the search bar like this. Type your institute name in it. I am searching right now my institute as Open Mind Institute SB Road. So then it will ask you your unique 6-digit login pin as a learner, which the teacher will give you to log in app. So enter the pin here. I am entering my pin. For demonstration purpose, we usually keep the first 6 digit of your mobile number as your learner pin. After logging into the app, from the main screen, you will go to the classroom tab directly, where you can see the search bar right at the top, using which you can search the subjects, and below that there are two sections, live classes and courses. On the live classes section, you can see ongoing live classes of teachers of respective subjects, which will show you the classes you already attended before. Right now we didn't connect to any class before, so it doesn't showing anything in both sections. So to join the new classroom, click on connect with pin option button, which is after live classes option. When you click the button, it will ask two permissions. First permission to click photos and record videos, and second permission to record audio. You have to give these two permissions to the app so that you can join and participate in a live online classroom. Then it will ask the 6-digit unique one-time classroom pin, which the teacher will give you before the lecture starts. Click on the connect with pin option, enter the 6-digit classroom pin and connect with the live classroom. Remember, this is one-time activity and you will not need to enter classroom pin again if the same teacher starts lecture for the same subject again. It will appear immediately as soon as the teacher begins any classroom. Learnico's immersive classroom will make your learning experience more interactive and engaging, even in remote classrooms. So, let's get connected with MKCL Learnico. Thank you.